Ever dream of turning your side hustle into your main hustle? What if I told you the secret starts with your content? Stick around and I'll show you the 4 crucial steps to make your content work as hard as you do. Let's break down the content marketing funnel tailored to boost your side hustle. Awareness, capture attention fast, use bold questions or startling stats. For example, a headline like "Unlock secrets that 90% of startups miss" grabs interest instantly. Evaluation, build trust by showcasing real results. Include client testimonials, expert endorsements, and detailed case studies. Demonstrating proven success builds credibility and shows potential impact. Purchase, time to convert interest into action. Create compelling offers like 20% off your first order, this week only. Make it irresistible for viewers to take the next step without hesitation. Delight. Post-purchase, exceed expectations. Send personalized thank yous, offer excellent support, and provide exclusive access to new products. Happy customers become your brand advocates, spreading the word more effectively than any ad. Mastering these stages turns viewers into loyal customers, propelling your side hustle into a thriving business. Just like that, from awareness to delight, you can transform your side hustle into your dream business. Which stage are you focusing on this week? Drop a comment and let's crush those goals together. For more strategies, hit the link in my bio and start your journey to success.